Good morning, sweetheart. It's time to wake up.
5 more minutes, please.
I let you sleep 5 more minutes yesterday. Today we need to be on time. Come on, sunshine. Okay, Mommy, I'm waking up now. Did you sleep well? Yes, I had a dream about a big rainbow. That sounds lovely. Now sit up, stretch your arms, and let's start our day. Stretch. I'm ready. Let's go brush your teeth. I want to do it by myself. Of course, I'll watch and help if you need. Okay, toothpaste, toothbrush. Now I brush in circles, right? Exactly. Small circles. Don't forget the back teeth. Am I doing it right? Very well. Now rinse. Done. Can I wash my face now? Yes, use warm water. Splash, splash. It feels nice. Great job. Now brush your hair. My hair is messy today. That's why we brush it. Come, I'll help you untangle the back. Thank you, Mommy. Now choose your clothes for school. I want to wear my pink dress. Good choice. And your socks? Yes, and pink socks. Here you go. Getting dressed. Mommy, can you help with the buttons? Sure. There, all done. Thank you. Did you pack your school bag yesterday? Yes, homework, notebooks, pencil case. Everything is inside. Perfect. You are becoming so responsible. Breakfast time. Yay! What are we having today? Pancakes with strawberries and a little honey. My favorite. I know. Sit down, sweetheart. It's so warm and sweet. Do you want some milk? Yes, please. Here you go. Mommy, after school, can we go to the park? If the weather stays nice, we can. Yay! Now put on your shoes. I can tie the laces. Watch me. Go ahead. Ties slowly. I did it! I'm proud of you. Let's put on your jacket now. It's cold outside today. Yes, but the sun is shining. Perfect for a school walk. Are you taking me today? Yes, let's go together. Mommy, look, a squirrel. I see it. It's running to the tree. I like squirrels. Me too. Now come, we're almost at the bus stop. Have a wonderful day, sweet girl. I will. See you later. I love you. I love you too, Mommy. Are you hungry? Very. Come help me set the table. Okay, I'll put the forks and spoons. Good girl. I'll bring the food. What are we eating? Pasta with vegetables. Yum! I like your dishes. Thank you. Sit down, darling. Eating. Mommy, can I have more pasta? Of course. Here you go. Before we go out, can you help me water the plants? Yes, I love the little watering can. Carefully, okay? Not too much water. Pouring slowly. Like this? Perfect. You're helping our plants grow strong. I like taking care of them. Now let's feed Luna. Luna, time to eat. Pour half a cup of food. Pours. She's already here. She knows she's your favorite person. She's purring. She's happy. Let's take Max for a walk. I'll hold the leash. Only if you stay close to me. I will. Look, Max! He's excited. He's running in circles. Dogs love walks. Can we go to the park now? Yes, let's go. Mommy, push me on the swing. Hold tight. Ready? Ready! Higher! Not too high, sweetheart. I'm flying. You look very happy. Can we play tag? Okay, but you always run faster than me. I'll run slowly so you can catch me. You're so sweet. It's time to head to your gymnastics class.
Yay! I want to practice my cartwheel today.
I'm sure you will do great. Let's get your sports bag.
I packed it yesterday. Leotard, water bottle, and hair tie.
Good job.
Let's go. Mommy, look! I can balance on the beam.
Very nice. Keep your arms steady.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect. She's improving a lot. I can see that.
Mommy, watch me do a cartwheel.
I'm watching. Go ahead.
Cartwheels! I did it!
That was wonderful. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Mommy.
Let's get inside and have a little rest. Can I have some water first? Of course. Here you go.
Thank you.
Do you have any homework today?
Yes, I need to practice writing letters and do 2 math problems.
Okay, let's sit at the table. I will help if you need me.
I can write the letters by myself.
I know you can. Show me. Write slowly. A, B, C. Beautiful handwriting. Now the math. 2 plus 3 is 5. Very good. I finished. Well done, sweetheart. Mommy, can we play a board game now? Yes, let's pick one. I want the animal matching game. Good choice. Let's set it up. I go first. I found the tiger. Nice. My turn. I found a zebra. Your zebra is cute. Not as cute as you. Mommy! Who won? I think I did. Congratulations, champion. Time to get ready for bed, sweetheart. Okay. Can I take a warm bath? Yes, let's run the water. Splashing gently. It's so warm. Wash your hair and rinse well. Done. Let's dry you off and put on your pajamas. I want the pajamas with the little stars. Here they are. They're so soft. Which book should we read tonight? The one about the magical forest. Good choice. Get comfy. I'm ready. Reading softly. And the little fox followed the glowing butterflies into the forest. I like the fox. Me too. Shall we read one more page? Yes, please. Continues reading. And under the silver moon, they found the hidden wishing tree. So pretty. Did you enjoy your day today?
Yes, it was the best day.
What was your favorite part?
The swing and my cartwheel and playing the game with you.
I loved spending the day with you too.
Mommy?
Yes, sweetheart?
Can we have another day like this tomorrow?
Of course. Every day with you is special.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you more. Now close your eyes and rest.
Good night. Good night, my little star.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Real English Podcast Vibe, the podcast where we learn real English through simple stories and daily conversations. Today's episode is all about a warm, lovely day shared between a mother and her young daughter. It's the kind of day that helps us learn natural English phrases used at home, during routines, and when spending time together. Let's take a look at what happened throughout their day. The story begins in the morning when the mother gently wakes her daughter. We hear typical morning expressions like, "It's time to wake up," and 5 more minutes, please. Then the mother guides her through brushing teeth, washing her face, brushing her hair, and choosing clothes for school. These are great examples of everyday English used during family routines. After getting ready, they enjoy breakfast together, pancakes with strawberries, and talk about school and plans for the afternoon. This teaches us useful, polite questions such as, "Do you want some milk?" and "What are we having today?" Next, the mother takes her daughter to school, and later they share lunch, water the plants, feed their pets, Luna and Max, and go to the park. The daughter plays on the swing, runs around, and enjoys being outside. These moments show us conversational English that expresses excitement, permission, and safety, like "hold tight," "stay close to me," "higher." In the continuation of the story, they go to the daughter's gymnastics class. She practices balancing and doing cartwheels, while her mother encourages her with phrases like, "I'm proud of you," and "You're improving." This is great English for motivation and support. After returning home, they do homework together using simple school vocabulary, letters, math problems, handwriting. Then they play a board game, reinforcing language for turn-taking and reactions, such as "my turn" and "I found a tiger." As the evening comes, they follow a bedtime routine: bath time, pajamas, reading a storybook, and soft conversation before sleep. They talk about their favorite parts of the day using emotional and reflective English, like, "What did you enjoy today?" and "Every day with you is special." Now, let's review today's main lessons. Main English phrases for everyday practice. Listen carefully. Number 1, daily routines vocabulary. Wake up. Brush teeth, wash face, get dressed, pack your bag, bedtime. These are extremely common expressions that English learners should know well. Number 2, polite requests and offers. Can I have more? Do you want some milk? Can you help me? Here you go. These help make conversations friendly and respectful. Number 3, encouraging phrases. Good job. I'm proud of you. You're improving. Perfect for parents, teachers, or anyone wanting to motivate others. Number 4, safety and instructions. Hold tight. Stay close to me. Not too high. Important for everyday situations, especially with children. Number 5, talking about your day. What was your favorite part? Did you enjoy today? I loved spending time with you. These phrases help learners express feelings and reflect on experiences. This story shows us how natural, warm conversations help build strong language skills. The vocabulary is simple, but the expressions are exactly what native speakers use every single day. Thank you for listening to Everyday English. If you enjoyed today's gentle mother and daughter story, make sure to join me next time for more real-life English learning. See you soon, and keep practicing. If you found this useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next video.